Good afternoon, guys. This is Gain High Marios. Now I'll be working a 6-hole boat layout. And so this is what I have. I have a 4x4 block, and right in the middle, a metal plate, and right in the middle, I'm going to put a 6-hole boat pattern that has a diameter of 3 inches. So once again, I want to find a placement for hole number 1, how far I must go and down. Same for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, this one is going to be a lot more simple and easier to work with than the 5-hole, in my opinion. So let's get started. Let's find the first hole, and it's going to be exactly the same setup as we found the other hole. For finding the placement for hole number 1, remember, if this is my metal plate or block, that's 4x4, and I'm going to put right exactly in the center a 6-hole bolt with a diameter of 3, right? So to find the location for hole number 1, all I'm going to do is going straight across to the halfway mark and going down this right here. So I know that's going to be 2 because it's hole number 1 is right there on the halfway mark, 2. Now to find the location going down for hole number 1, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by, no, it's not 4. 4 minus 3. Because I want to find how much clearance I have, which gives me 1. That means between these two, I must have a total of 1. Between these two, I must have a total of 1. So if I take 1 divided by 2, that gives me a half. So that is my location for hole number 1. Go over 2 and down a half. And that's how you solve most of these, right? And say, for instance, I have a 4x4, and say, for instance, my boat circle diameter is going to be 3.25. I'll do the same setup. Take 4, minus 3.25. That means I have a clearance of 0.75. So what I mean by that is I must have a clearance when I add these two together, it must be 0.75. When I add these two together, it must be 0.75. So if I want to do that one, to say divided by 2, 0.375, meaning this will be 0.375, this will be 0.375. Same here and same here. And that will only work with when we have, say, a 4x4, and my diameter of my circle is going to be 3.25.